It's
Nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go. Oh my God, juice. Who juicing? Who juicing? Welcome, Buzz. Welcome, Cage. He's on the balcony. You can't stop the juice.
Okay, okay. We're good. Test, 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 test. Let's go.
Hey. Good morning, Lions. Good morning. Welcome, Cage. Welcome, Buzz. We got some warriors up here with me this morning.
Morning and dope.
Buzz won the middle.
Yeah, that's
Yo.
right, Mark. That's right.
Let's go. How we doing? Ace, good morning. Colin Noob, Indo Lion. How you doing?
Let's go, Indo.
Mark.
Welcome back.
Yeah, Fib Math. Thank you for the resub.
Who fit, man?
Let's go, Colin Noob. Curvies, VTR. Housty, hit him with the goose. Hey, thanks, brother.
It's Chauncey.
Chauncey was in here early this morning.
Chauncey.
How you doing, Chauncey? He's about to finish up his summer. You have a good summer, brother? What's going on, Bergix? Shout out to PSG. Let's go, Mr. Larry's. Happy 420. Let's get it. Iggy Bish, Fredward. Let's go. Maxi, Daniel, Jupiter, Bergix, Ayo Crazy. Shout out to YouTube. Looking for you. Kimba Gang always. Shout out to Kimba Gang always. Holding it down. What's going on, Superman? How you doing over there? Shout out Stream Elements. Who juicing up right now? Crispy, mouse-like. Hey, Buzz went through a journey this morning. but he's here. Let's get it, Buzz.
Yeah, just to get here, guys, had some crazy stuff going on.
Houston went through battle getting ready for the talent show today, so y'all better be there. It's gonna be juice. Cage is going through battle every single day. Buzz is going through battle every single day. You better be there. Hey, a lot of exciting things happening. I think we got, what, 1 day left on the BLOFIN trading competition?
Yep. One
Yep,
more day.
1 day left. Exclamation space trade. Brand new one will start right up afterwards. So shout outs to the competitors. Big money dollars up for grabs. Let's get it. Yeah, for Edward. Let's go, Buzz and Houston. Hey, thank you, boys, for being here with me this morning. It's always good times when I'm here with my homies,
Thanks
my troops. Mandalo is chilling. I know, I am just chilling. It's, you know, just gotta have my feet up. You know, satin pixel bottom longs. You know, just like watching the dollars. You know, I'll take a nap. You know what it is. Dude, I'm grinding too, but I'm not gonna like talk about that. I'm giving credit to all of the team. Everybody's putting in the work, and I know my Lions are too. Shout outs to PSG. I know you guys are grinding. Who juicing? Stand up. What a move. Look at the size of that gap. Good God.
Want me to start a prediction for everybody for the first 5 minutes?
Yeah, can you do it?
Yeah, I'll run it for 20 minutes.
Sounds great. Market open prediction. Get your points in. Ooh. Oof. Yeah, we were running 15 minutes the other day, and just like on the app, it went with that. Wow. Yeah, how about that open interest? I saw the Wise Lions talking about that quite a bit. Yeah, just like a casual billion in longs came in during London session. Let's go, Houston. New CoinWise lesson on stop
Indicator
loss
module.
moving.
Yeah,
What was that, Kate?
strategic stop losses coming out in 22 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be juicy. Hey, there's some other juice I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. CoinWise has some really exciting things going on. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise for a 14-day trial. Let's go, Houston. Yeah, casual Bill. Casual Billy Curvies. That's right. Juice. Hey, price going up. Open interest going up. I mean, look at this open interest over here. Like, what the fuck? There's times this happens and it's offsides, and there's times this happens and it's for real. We close outside the daily range. Just for all you overly excited shorters. Closed above everything. Yeah, and just from like the daily perspective, our like big resistance, like the 71 to like 70 zone. Heavy resistance, it's like the previous value from long ago. That's a potential area for a retest if it were to pull back. If it just keeps going, that's where I'm looking for the failure more quickly. Yeah, it might take time if it, you know, retests, if it even will go back down. So if you missed it, there will be opportunities. Don't get too excited about shorts. We got bad highs here. Yeah, and so you got to break structure. Really, I'd like to see it fall below this, like towards the single print, before I'm getting too excited about it pulling back. Stop loss and profit. Strategic stop management. Shout out to CoinWise. You got some great new education dropping. Should I hit him with a cage?
Fuck yeah. I'm looking at it right now.
Great new education dropping, and some other juice just came out. Oh my goodness. You don't even know. You don't even know. Try to make it look good for the whole screen. Oof. Oof. All right, here it comes. Who's ready? Shout outs to the daily levels. Let's go, USD. Oh my God. Every single day you can download this. This is so juice. I mean, everybody can put indicators on a chart. This gives you everything that you could be interested in, and you can mark it yourself if you want. It reminds you of all these important areas on daily, weekly, monthly, and even some session things. It's juicy. That's a CoinWise
right now. You should plot on your chart right now just the previous daily value areas.
Oof. All right. All right. That's enough of this. That's enough of this.
Do
Here
it.
we go. Plotting. Cage said we should plot the previous value area, PD value.
Do previous day value area high, low, and POC.
Value area high. Ooh, here we go.
Let's go nitrogen.
73.
Should have Hacky Spirit,
04.
Cyber, Bichuana. Oh,
Let's
Bichuana,
go, Cyper.
Jensen, and Redreamer. Welcome back. Thank you, nitrogen.
Shout out nitrogen.
Is that
Now
like
the
straight?
daily levels PDF is taking levels from Coinbase, BTC, USD right now.
Bitcoin? Coinbase?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And the value area low, 72,379. Oh, that's daily. That's today. God damn it.
Yeah, you gotta take the previous day levels at the bottom left. Put those on your chart.
Oh, previous day value area high, 74,100.
No.
Yeah, I'm still learning how to use this.
Previous day value area high is at 74,020. You get the previous day volume point of control at 73,501. Then you have the previous day value area low at 71,464.4.
deposit, let the first move fade. Stack up wins, that's how lines get paid. Long or short, just follow the math. Flow clean like I'm clearing a path. Fake out flash, that's a market draft.
What's really nice about this though is you're gonna notice something happening.
This looks crooked somehow. I don't know what's going on. Is it crooked?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh. I got it locked for straight. It just looks crooked to me. I think it's the price action that's looking crooked.
Maybe
Value
you should
area
just
low.
use horizontal lines.
71. 464.
Useless lines record.
So every day you're probably gonna want to mark off your previous daily levels like this, using that PDF.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid.
Mandalo's making it hard. He's using lines instead of horizontals.
I like this though. I don't like going all the way.
It's okay.
Oh no. I should have done horizontals though. At this point.
You gotta do the other one. You keep messing with the wrong side. You're setting it and then unsetting it.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. Is this one same on both sides? Yeah.
There you go.
All right, well, short bus, Mandalo, once again. Get that extended a little bit just so it shows up. All right, well that took like a week to do. Let's go, guys. How we doing, gang? Look at that, PDPOC, perfect retest. Yeah, it was a naked point of control from CoinWise. This is my own tick configurations. If it's not pixel perfect, if you have the CoinWise TPO PVP running, and it's not
tick size.
Yeah, it's just based on your tick size. How much did you say was your tick size?
8,000 on manual.
8,000. There we go. Yeah, I'm running like 2,000, I think, on mine. Yeah, that's a lot better for just like the big picture. Juicy. What's going on, Ivy? What's going on, Kimba Gang? Always. Let's get it, Dolcon. Good morning. Hey, what do y'all think about these levels? Cage has
$80 rows. It's not that big.
No, it's not. It's not. For definitely for big picture and like volume calculations and stuff. If you want single prints, it's kind of big, but I think it's good even for like, I mean, considering what the price of Bitcoin is. Even after we drop 50% almost, it's not too bad for like highs and lows either. Like poor highs, poor lows, or bad highs, bad lows. Cage has a big tick. Let's go, Icky Bish. Hey, they have a video that's actually called Tick Size Matters. It's just so funny. What's going on there? Yeah, shoutouts to CoinWise, shoutouts to the team. Shoutouts to Cage, Bite, Ready. I saw all of them. Hey, so we got KCEX deposit bonuses. We got the BLOFIN trading competition. We got BTCC, big deposit bonuses, and fee rebates going on. That's what the scalping stream is run through. And I don't know if we're going to be able to get a giveaway today, but because I think that they're still working on fixing whatever happened the other day. But if it's gonna happen, you'll see. Just wait and see. Let's get it. Hey, exclamation merch. Let's go. Yeah, shoutouts Buzz. How you feeling? Buzz just drove like 69 hours and his car was like, he was driving through the snow. He had to put the chains on his tires.
It was raining really hard.
But show him the plants. Show him the plants.
Plants?
He was very
Guys,
excited about them. I want you to show
Let me
him.
find the Korean name about this plant, guys.
It's got to be the Shiba something.
Wait. Okay.
Hey, thank you for the resub, Il Pasoto. Shout out to PSG. Shout out to Il Pasoto. Who juicing? Shout out to Who Juicing. Exclamation Who Juicing.
You guys see this? Its name is Kot. So something in Korean. Kot.
Dude, I have one of those. Those things are cool. It's called a golem plant.
No,
Like Gollum from
no,
Lord of the Rings.
They are filled with some stuff, you know? Now it's not cactus, Chris.
Yeah.
It's something else. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, they have a nickname for it here. It's called a golem plant, like the Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
It's super cool. That's a really cool plant, dude.
But my mom likes plants. We have a lot of plants. You guys should see my cactus.
Hey, you should see the other side of the room. He's got his little Latuche grow room.
No.
uh,
Not really pitchy. That's too much for over here. It's crazy.
That's an interesting level right
still
here.
Not legal, right?
It's not legal?
Yeah. Pretty crazy.
Mm. Yeah, he's right by all those windows too. He definitely isn't growing it in that room. It's in the attic. Don't worry, Lions. Don't worry.
Yeah, look these. They caught some like they caught like 50 tons over here, and now we have the good lettuce over here.
Noise. Hey, let's go. Yeah, I know. Thanks for putting Buzz on in the spotlight. Like, I'm not playing with soundboard, but it's like FBI coming in. Let's go, Nitrogen. How you doing? That's PSG. Hey, wrong person. Good. Latuche. Let's go, Tigran. Batiste. Uchiha. Yeah, exclamation who juice, and I think there's a new one coming out tomorrow. Am I right?
Yes,
Buzz,
sir.
can you confirm?
Tomorrow is the premiere. You guys tune up. Have you guys checked out the Sato stream right now? He has like $39,540,000.
39 million? Or this is
I'm
Korean?
joking. He has 39 bucks.
One. Oh, $39. Okay.
Yeah, I was joking. Exclamation Hujushin, guys.
He's got that
Keep up
million
with
X
the timeline.
leverage.
Yeah. He was going 100x.
Let's go, Ivy. Piyush, how you doing? Who juicing? Yeah, that premiere, I think it's like right after New York lunch session tomorrow. Right after Kimba stream.
Yep.
Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, to just kind of give like a quick 1 minute TA. This is bullish as fuck. We probably don't want to start trading down into the single print, but even if it gets down in PDEQ single print area, a wick down still holds structure of the higher time frame, as long as it reclaims. We really kind of need to maintain previous day value area low, but even a failed auction down here and getting back above is good. It's good. To the upside, if we just pump on market open right out of the gates, this is now a weak high. Like, that was a decent high above up here with so much. We're starting to like have some TPs come in. Not that much, but with so much open interest in the highs or at the highs, like on this push right here. You start trading down here, it's gonna move quick. But that's pretty far away at this point. $2,500, like 3%. This is much closer. If we pump off the open, look for closes, because it can pump and then just like tuck back in. I probably would not just blind enter a market open pump like that. I'll wait for at least the tuck back in and then a retracement, so you have some sort of local invalidation. But that's just me. It's pretty aggressive to be shorting strength like that. Just be ready for a scalp if if you do take something. But I'm not trying to tell you what to do. You guys follow your plan. I'm giving you some ideas to think about. Most of you are probably better traders than me anyways. Shout outs to the Wise Lions. Shout outs to Kimba's Den. We got anything in there yet? Kimba post
earlier
yet?
this morning.
He did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I checked it early and didn't see. Yeah, 8-4. Okay, so it was like not too long ago. Yeah. Simplest juice can be the best juice. Hey, shout outs to the Discord, Isolation Discord. If you want to see what he has to say, I'm not going to just sit here and read it to you. That's like the most painful thing, is to have somebody read something to you. Unless it's like you can't get it anywhere else. Y'all have access to this. Exclamation Discord. Kimba's Den. That was a good short setup. That was a good short setup. But this isn't. So don't just go getting excited and be like, hey, it just like juiced a whole bunch. I'm gonna short this. It's coming back down to like bullish retest. Yeah, it's like the probability of it bouncing increases the lower it goes through here. Yep, and that's a daily good high. It says bad high, but that's my tick settings. It's weak compared with this high. So if you were to, you know, draw a little trend. Oh, ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding.
Yeah, that's weak. And that's what I'm talking about. This isn't the greatest up here. It's not that bad, but it's not the greatest. Shout outs to any shorters who had the balls to take that. That was pretty nice. And it gave, you know, a 3K pullback. That's good. Did it even make it to the 382? Or is it like the 236? I gotta change my damn fibs. Yeah, the pixel on the .35.
Only talk math shit, that's a big bag. Hyenas always hated on me, they been mad. Run it back, we can line it up like a fib strap. Kimba gang rich, profits hidden like Sinbad. Fibonacci levels, we been had. Fast profits, swing trades, we been.
I don't know about this whole decorrelation with traditional markets, but you know that it could be just playing catch up. Traditional markets are still like what, 2-3% from their all-time highs? But it feels a little bit suspicious that they pump Bitcoin that hard and S&P is like consolidating, potentially dropping. Does anybody else feel like have some kind of feelings about this? Your feelings don't mean shit. We go on data. I'm just kidding. What do you think, Cage? Was that too much?
No, I like that. When we go on data, motherfucker.
Biddy doesn't care how you feel. Yeah, 70, 450. Yeah, you don't want to get down in that single print. Oh. Well, we gapped up yesterday, and that was bullish. We gapped down, and look at that gap. Oh, my gosh. It's all over. Zero. Dog, it just pumped like 12%. How much was that pump, actually? I just want to see the gap. Like a 6% gap. That's pretty huge. Even for Biddy. S&P. I mean, it's holding PDEQ. That was kind of nice. It didn't seem like there was like all that much volume in. But, you know, it cleaned that low the other day. Shout out to that 6720. I mean, wow. They're like, not today. We're getting filled. Let's get it. And still that 6850. 6900. Pretty important bad highs up here. And look at all of these bad highs just like lined up. Jeez, if it gets up above that, could get spicy. Let's go, Kagam. Yeah, crypto jammies, let's get it. Pixel short at the top, added at the 786. Let's get it, wrong person. Hazaman, BTCC, and that's the one that's on KIMBA'S live streams. Has deposit bonuses and it has fee rebates on S&P trading. And then KCEX, big deposit bonuses, and we're using BLOFIN for the trading competition. So that's kind of like the ones we've been using the past month more heavily. But exclamation dashboard and check out all the different exchanges. There's a bunch of juice there. You can try them out. If you've been away for a few months, we're still using the same exchanges, but different ones have different you know, promotional things. We've been doing giveaways the past month from BTCC also. So Kimba and BTCC been juicing us up. Lions, who's juicing on the BTCC giveaway? Yeah, that one lasted a month for the winners too. That was nice. First minute green. Oh, you know what that means. I'm taking your word for it now. Was it? It's a nice little green. Nice predicting. We got some good volume in that today. Shout outs to the green predictors. Shout outs Bulls. V0001, you just juiced up on 456,000 points. Damn. That's juice. You got 260? Let's go, wrong person. Hey, you know you're supposed to trade with 1% of your account, so that's a nice little, what, 2R trade? Oh, 260K. Nice. Nice. Let's go, rules. Hey, we were talking about that on Tuesday. It's not going to be too long. I think that they're going to have it pretty soon. It's not like immediate like date plans or anything. The team's got a lot going on, dude. But it's coming. We haven't forgotten about poker. I know the Lions love it. Let's go, Jedi's Kirk. How you doing, brother? Varun, 372. Oh, shit. This turned into the profit showcase. Don't spend it all in one place. Yeah, throw. Give me the Giga short today. Let's go, Yannick. Hey, who's going to be competing in the talent show today? Do we know? Do y'all know? I'm looking forward to that. This is the finale, I believe.
Houston knows.
The part 2 of the finale. Husey does. I don't want to bother him, though. He's like, this is going to be a banger. Yeah, y'all get excited. Exclamation dashboard. Make sure you're here. 100%. That's right. Okay, Gom. It is always a banger. This one, I'm even more excited. Oh, shit, Cachoya. Yeah, I think that we're going to see some fireworks today. And then the Battle Royale is going to be amazing, too. Oh, dip the tip. Dip the tip and let her rip. Vala Vala, let's go, Chauncey. Chauncey, you in a little thing? Shout out to Chauncey. Hey, huge shout outs to the whole team. Buzz, Cage, Housty, Chauncey, MGK, Cyper, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Let's get it. Hey, big shout outs to Reddy. Bite. Gyps. Yeah, Gypsy. Where Barentina at? Froggy Shybot, how you doing? Let's get it, taking profit. Toddler. Nice, Chauncey. You're already juicing? Hey, good morning, Baratina. How we doing? Chauncey's bag's getting big like gumbo. That's juice. That's a nice short. Yeah, even if it's a scalp, I mean, juice is juice. It was the setup. That's right, Housty. The switch. Oh, not enough Latuche. So, usually there's a contract rollover. And we adjust for forward contract changes. Most of the month, it doesn't do much, but it can. But after like the monthly expiry, so like it happens third Friday of every month, it's better to switch it over to the adjust for contract changes. Yeah, you get a little bit more accurate current price action. When you're trying to do like historical like levels and stuff though, you should switch it back. Yeah, and I'll let you like there's plenty of stuff out there that can help to guide you, but there's no like direct source that will really give you all of the answers in one place. Like it's not like a full nerd out on it. That I found anyways. You kind of like piece it together that way. So in February, the month, I think that the rollover was the 20th, and we adjusted it then. Third Friday. Yeah, and then you have it like they date it for and it's gonna be a big one this month on the 20th this month. Yeah, it was the 20th of February. Because it's quarterlies. So we got what? We have CPI next week. Right? And then the following week, we got FOMC and quarterly options. Oh. That's going to be juice. I know, we miss them too. Yeah, shouts Kirby's. He is traveling. He's got IRL goals and things that he's working on and achieving, and he is getting to travel doing so. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, shout outs to hard work and following your path. Yeah, Cypher's a really, really great dude. But the whole team that I'm working with had the pleasure of working with are great dudes, and shout outs to PSG because there's a bunch of great dudes and girls in there too. Yeah, let's go, Maestro. Good morning. How you doing? Hey, Cage. Mrs. Mandalo was like, "Aw, you're going on with the whole gang today?
Yeah.
We should send them Christmas cards." Like, dude, Christmas was like 3 months ago. And I was like,
it's Easter pretty soon.
This is crypto too. You think that they want me to have their fucking address? I don't care if they're my friends or not. They don't want me to have their address. They're like, dude, this is Cage. This is Buzz. I don't know who the fuck you are. I'm totally kidding. I love you guys. Hey, y'all want to send me Christmas cards? I get like anthrax sent to my house.
No, no, no.
I'm just
No,
kidding.
no,
I'm just
no.
kidding. I love you guys. I'm trying to give you every possible bit of juice that I can. I'm trying to pour my heart and soul into everything that I do with the community. And I know that everybody is, with the team at least, is doing that. And most of the whole community. Send it to my there we go. I got a P.O. box. There we go, Fredward. Yeah, Husty. Y'all are gonna go up on Zillow and try to like look at my house and shit. Joke's on you, I live in a cardboard box, motherfucker. Let's go Soto Risotto. Let's go Johnny. Fredward, let's get it. The Minute Maid, let's go. No poll, please. Sozo. Dude, you see how old I am. I said fucking anthrax. That shit has been like gone forever. Let's go. Happy 420. Yeah, but you know, crypto just has such a bad reputation. Thank goodness that our community is mostly just amazing people. Can we fill the gap at 84K, please? Somebody's long. Let's go 14. It might happen. It might happen. Any of the shorters probably don't want to see it going up around there. Yeah, I'm around that too, Sky. So you know what it is. Our reputation's bad? What? Yeah, all is well, Jetty's Kurt. Let's go, Dole Kong. I mean, honestly, though, if it's just like some scammers and stuff, at least we're not in politics. Jesus Christ. But let's like pick up the mood. Let's pick up the mood. Because Lions Gang is strong. Exclamation, we strong. Buzz, where are your parents going? Excuse me, what's going on? Did I just hear Husty? What'd you say?
Hello?
Buzz, where were your parents going?
Oh, Germany. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they were going to Germany.
For Oktoberfest?
No. I think they're going for at his uncle or something, you know?
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go all face. Let's go all face. Thank you for the resub, brother. Hey, did y'all catch that? I said for Oktoberfest. Germany's cool. His uncle lives there? That's cool.
Yeah.
You're like, what? All face just like came in and was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Like they would tell
families
Buzz.
all over the world.
That's cool.
We international. Right, guys?
Hey, we're all in Lithuania, so Germany does have some fine women. Buzz doesn't know. They're like, yeah, we're going to Germany. Meanwhile, they're like posting up pictures from a beach in Palau.
Yeah, right? It's possible.
They come back with like hella sunburns and stuff, and they're like, yeah, Germany was nice. It was so cold. The wind was like burning my face and stuff.
That would be funny.
Buzz, you went on a road trip to Swape? I think I vaguely remember that.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
I've been I've been most of the European countries.
How long of a road trip was that? How long did it take you to drive there? You took several
Like,
days, right?
No, not driving, not driving.
You take the train?
With the plane, like it's hour and 20 minutes, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, bro. And even crazier is like the tickets are like $30, right? Yeah, you can go anywhere in Europe for like, let's say, $50 at most.
Dude, I can't even get
You
a
don't have
drink
like
at the airport for that.
Yeah, it's crazy. We have that bus kind of deals, you know?
That's sick. Show up there with the champagne bottle. Yeah, maybe. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, wrong person. Me too.
That's super cool. The road trips in the U.S. are really like pretty haggard. Mostly like the road trips that I would take were like either to go surfing or when I was in college at university, going to like different colleges where my buddies went and just going and partying. But it was like not super far ones.
Yeah.
2 hours to Portland, Maine. Happy, where are you? I got a couple good buddies in New Hampshire at the beach. Yeah, I've went surfing up in Maine around this time of year in February in the middle of a blizzard. It was fucking crazy. It's cool up there though. Are you in Vermont? You know a lot of people? That's awesome. Yeah, New Hampshire's beautiful. Yeah, for real, Curvies. I was crazy, dude. I was crazy. Yeah, it's beautiful up there, though. Chilly. Your weather's about maybe a little bit warmer than Cage's. He said he still has snow on the ground. Do you? Happy? Nice, Happy.
-1 here today.
-1. Holy shit. Oh, that's centigrade. So
You know, we had weeks though that was like -20.
you were telling us about that. Holy shit, man. No, thank you. Oh, juice. Look at that level right there. When is that even from? Right there. That's pretty nice. -1, -20. It was like 78 Fahrenheit here yesterday. $50 parking fee. That's before your daily fee too, Fredward. Am I right? Yeah, $50 for your luggage for sure. Oh my God, for real, Happy? Yeah, El Boris, I feel you. Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo is getting another 3 inches tonight. Oh!
That's crazy.
Let's go. Y'all know me by now, dude. I be saying some dumb shit. Let's go, Maestro. Angry. An angry one. Nah, I know a whole 3. That's like getting it all. I know, Fredward. What's wrong with me? Hey.
On another level this one.
There's that same Anchor VWAP from when? Is that from the top? Holy shit, this is a mess. No, it's not from the top. It's from that bottom. And this is from the the 49K bottom. Is that one? Dude, I gotta clean this motherfucker up.
Whole lot on that chart.
Oh, I mean, dude, it's like the high time frame, like super high time frame shit. It's not really that much on here. Look, I got 1, 2 levels marked in the whole range. That's like a $12,000 range. And then that's the old low. That's the April low from last year.
It's Rye Beach. Was that happy?
You are? Dude, you're gonna be right next to my brother. It's not my brother, but my really good buddy. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool up there. There's some good waves too. But I know it's cold right now. Testing VWAP. Previous day VWAP. Yeah, how's this first 30 minute gonna look? Not too bad. They're turning it into something decent. An ES, you know. Can't stop, won't stop. Market open's been bullish. Yeah, I feel you. Dude, I went up there and visited him like when I was a lot younger. I don't know if it's still there, but right across the border in Massachusetts. Tens. If you know, you know. Tens. This is pre-Mrs. Mandalo days. Best one I ever been to. For real. Better than Vegas. Let's go, Masahu. Happy, you know what I'm talking about? He's gonna stop there for lunch. I don't know if it's still there. It's a gentleman's establishment. Gage. Buzz. Oh really? Yeah. It doesn't surprise me. Yeah. I am not either. I'm not either. It was like a surf trip with my buddy, and like we were like with a couple snowboard dudes too. Yeah, you know what it is, Fred. So you know the boys get wild. But no, I always felt like so weird going to them, but that one, it was just like next level. I don't even know how, dude. It was wintertime. You've been once for a party. I don't know if Mrs. Mandela is listening, but like when I was in college, like my college like girlfriend took me to one, and that was even more awkward. That was hella awkward. She was like, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Huh? What? Oh, I said my college girlfriend took me to a strip club, and she was like, it's gonna be exciting, and I was like, and I had some girl that was in my class was on the pole. Yeah, yeah.
Was she at least attractive?
Yeah, she was not bad. She said, was she hot? Yeah, she was on the pole. There was this girl from my chemistry class. And the next class that I went in, because I had no idea, like I never like really talked to like that many people in class. The next day I was in class, it was just like so weird when I was like I thought I told her that story. Yeah, she totally heard all that. Uh-oh. Hot dog. Can you record? Ah! Yeah. He doesn't care, dude. This shit was like 20 years ago. I know. I know. You never know what you're gonna get here, boys and girls. That's pretty classic though, isn't it? Dude, that girl was so awkward in class. I felt so weird afterwards, and it was like only like halfway through the term. It wasn't like a normal thing for me to do things like that though. I was a nerd. Nerf VWAP. You got to the 50 of the gap. Is that 7.5 from IB yesterday? Gage, you got any strip club stories?
No,
I know Buzz
never
does.
been to one.
You never been to one?
Nah, man.
Yeah. It's something like you gotta go with people. The first time I ever went to Vegas, I went by myself, and that was the fucking awkwardest thing. I like went in there for like 10 minutes, and I just straight left. It was so weird. It was so weird. I just felt scummy.
Kirby's.
Some people are just like love that, dude. Tell you a lot after this weekend. Ron Person, what are you doing, dude? You going to Vegas? And if the locals know your name. Yeah, sometimes it's a test, yeah. I mean, dude. She's not bad. No, she's pretty hot. It wasn't like those 10s, though. I'm just kidding.
Bro, I'm gonna have to change the name of these streams to stand-up comedy with Mandalo.
Holy shit, dude. It's so, like... I know it's, like, cringe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Lion.
It's okay.
I mean, dude, it's just moving slowly. Market stand up. I mean, PSG stand up. Let's go, PSG. This is a family show, for God's sake. How did you let me talk about this? I lost a career opportunity? What, going to strip clubs? I don't think they pay you for that. Let's go, Coke Zero. Holy shit, dude. You did not miss anything this morning. I know you juicing. How about those longs, huh? Shout out Coke Zero. Shout out BSG. Look at that. Taking over the chat. Thanks, J-Bucks. Much love. Buzz in Dubai. I know Buzz wants to go. He was going to do like the travel show, take it on the road. Buzz, you still interested in doing that in the future? I think that would be super cool. He's just sitting back. He's just like laughing.
I was muted, guys. No. Okay. Let me start over. Yeah, I would love to do that. It would be really good. But we need to juice up a lot.
Dude, definitely visit Cyper. That's going to be a hella good one. I know he's not that far from you right now, I don't think. But when he gets to Japan, like, that's going to be sick. That'll be amazing.
Yeah, it must be amazing. Thanks, bro, buddies.
Oh my god, Icky Fish, legend. Holy shit, dude. That's super crazy.
Yeah,
You see
JC.
Buzzin'?
I remember that.
Oh my gosh. Buzz is definitely going to come to the US.
Yo, Mandalo.
Yeah.
You know that JC and Cypher met up?
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Yes. No, in England, right? Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that's super cool. Yeah, we should have a meetup. Another one. Oh, juice on them.
Who's juicing, gang? Who juicing?
Yeah, maybe clean up these lows. Let's check out these coin-wise levels. Shout out to the daily levels. Exclamation
Come on
coin-wise.
Come on now.
Shout out to the
You
viewer.
juicing on some levels right now, dude.
Here we go now. Yeah, let's listen to Buzz. Shout out to the VWAP and Daily Open. Let's go. PD VWAP Ben Strong. Is this it? Is it all over? Shout outs to the shorters on Market Open. Holy shit. The gap shorters. Buzz has been juicing. He's like quietly like, oh, Sato long this? Okay, I'm shorting it.
Yeah, we're chilling.
Yannick,
We're
I was
talking-
thinking about it. I didn't say anything about it though. Like, Happy is enjoying some amazing lobster, I'm sure, all the time. But yeah, there's some great lobster up in his part. You got some food at a nice lobster? I got some food at the nice, really nice lobster restaurant also. It's called Red Lobster. I don't know if you've heard of it. I'm just kidding. I haven't been there for a while. But they have some good biscuits. Let's go, Dayox. Jupiter. Yeah, this is juice. All you can eat? Let's get it. Curvies. I don't know, Fredward. Probably. Iggy, that's awesome. Dude, Coke Zero. Shout out to Coke Zero. That's awesome. Lobsterman? Yeah. I like doodles. Let's go. Coke Zero is like shouting it from the rooftops. He's fucking pumped on Red Lobster. Yeah, if you know, you know. They got some good biscuits, I'll tell you. I didn't hear about it. Damn. Was that one of your family? Damn. Iggy, where are you? Are you in Mass? Shrimp Scampi? Let's get it, Fredward. Yeah, sorry to hear it still, brother. Sorry to hear about that, brother. Iggy, you're not did you ever work in the family business? Work on the fishing or lobster boats? Yeah, Cape Cod is really nice. Yeah. I feel you, Iggy. Hey, shout outs to him. Is Striper guy? I think the Striper season's like past for us. They have a huge tournament here. They got a lot of big fishing tournaments here. I like worked on a boat for a little bit, but not much. Mostly, I had some buddies that did a whole lot on like the charters, the fishing charters. Yeah, trying to get some, Are you laughing at Coke Zero? Dude. You're having lobster today? Let's go. Happy 420.
So random, but I love it.
Yeah. It's just stripers. Exactly. Striper is a type of fish, y'all. Never been on a charter? I mean, if you've been like been doing commercial fishing, it's like, why would I do this? I would catch a fucking lot of them instead of like one, and I gotta fight it. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, but like, y'all, I don't have that kind of time. Yeah, Happy's getting some lobster today. Are you gonna get lobster rolls or for real lobster? Yeah, first time I ever had a lobster roll, I was like, 30 bucks for this? But it was pretty damn good. I like the warm ones though. They got a good lobster place here. Let's go, Coke Zero. Shore and pier crabbing, yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, crypto jammies, that's pretty big here. I live by the Chesapeake Bay. So blue crabs are a big thing. It's like the thing here. Yeah, and she crab soup. I'm gonna start sounding like Bubba Gump if you start get me talking about crab. Clam digging. Yeah, they have like a big they call them, they nickname them rockfish for some people do anyway, and they have a big tournament here for them. I don't know why they call them rockfish. Partial filled and closed it before London. On the short? Yeah, it was the entry. That was a pretty nice, like, pretty nice pullback. It might not be like the Giga entry though. Yeah, the more time we spend in here, the more time, more chances that it approaches a fill. Yeah, we're still looking at kind of like the mid. Even if it starts trading down inside, even if it breaks P to EQ, and that kind of equates to like the 70K, like kind of higher time frame for the current range, not like the overall range, but that was like the range resistance level. So it could still bounce around here. And that's monthly VWAP too, right here. But yeah, he still might, I don't know if that's like the Giga short or not. Like that was very, very aggressive. Maybe it bounces and gives you one more chance.
Order flow is looking pretty bearish.
Order flow is looking pretty bearish. Okay.
Looking like a badass retest.
Yeah, it's not looking too good for a retest, right? There's so, I mean, look at these longs. Holy shit. It's almost 1 billion in longs up here, and we've only closed. What was that? Close to 250? Almost 250. Yeah, it's definitely not shorts offsides. Exclamation XO. Yeah, squeeze the longers. I feel you, Coke Zero. Right, exactly, Coke Zero. Yeah, I remember you saying that, Crypto Jammies. Friends are there in Hawaii. Is that from the military? Yeah, I got some friends in Hawaii as well. Pretty cool to be able to visit them. It's been a while though. But yeah, let's go, Coke Zero. I thought you said you closed it. Oh, you closed the other one and you got the retest. Can't lose. Yeah. Gap. You lived on 17th and Atlantic. I grew up when I was a kid on 27th. Yeah, that's cool. You know 17th and Atlantic, now Crypto Jammies, 1 street over, or 2 streets over, that's where they built the surf park, where the dome used to be. Do you remember that thing? Bottom shorts are adding. Are they? Exclamation XO, let's see.
For the legends like G, for the traders like me, the realest in the chat, we should charge a fee. Kimba.
I suppose we could look at boot gammas as well really quickly. Exclamation boot gamma, exclamation XO. The whole YouTube has so much juice. Shout out to Kimba. Shout out to the whole team for helping us support and maintain these things. Yeah, there's a bottom short. What is that?
Is that
OKEX?
BTCC bottom short? Yep. Longs have been closing and shorts have been opening. Rather see this move down on the 30.
No, I want to see this one. It's not that much. It's not that heavy though. It's really not that much. And then you have, I mean, this gives you a pretty good gauge. It's not that much shorts coming in. Maybe a little bit. It's just the longs just like completely dwarf everything. Were you working in the jail or you spent that time in jail?
Oh,
I feel you. Cachoya.
red PVS. Sorry, can.
Magus. Potentially. Yeah, this, I mean, if we get the volume coming in like this, I think, yeah, we're coming right up to previous day value area low. I think that you are maybe looking at like a, if we get a close down here, it depends on how deep it goes. It depends on how much shorts come in, but if those things happen and you don't get too much bottom shorts, if it like retraces, I'd be looking for like a bearish retest in like this area. Especially if we lose value area low, I would maybe even be looking like a box like this. Like something like that. Not even getting close to all that. But it depends on how deep it goes and how aggressively they move it down there. There's so much longs and it's very, very one-sided. OKEX has the shorts, yeah. Time served, Cachoya. That was a long time ago though, brother. Yeah, I'm so happy to see that you have turned your life around. They probably just got you on some like, you were wrongfully accused, I'm sure. Yep. Dude, these two or three dudes that I went to high school with, they fucking robbed a bank. Like, I played soccer with one of them. Like,
Did they get away with it?
I mean, dude, I'm talking about it right now. No, they did not. They were fucking retarded. And not like, they were very, very like not professional bank robbers.
They're
Yeah,
amateurs.
seriously. Like one of them was okay, but then like the other ones were really dumb with it. Yeah, they're like spending it and like not being, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, one of them got out after like 5 years and he was like, dude, that was dumb. Mandalo storytelling a thing? Shit, dude, let's call it every market open. Let's go, Ron Person. Oh, snap, crypto jammies. I mean, that was the 80s too, man. Wow. It was probably crazy back then. You got a couple years on me. Like, I was, yeah, not part of that scene. Yeah, I feel you there, man. That sucks. Oh, IB almost done with. They gonna turn it around like they did in the last stream, IB? I don't know. Getting right to that low now. Look at S&P, like somebody was like, you funny, gunk. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Congratulations, brother. That was Sato's level, yeah. Exclamation who juicing. Hey, Shornick, shout out to CoinWise trading in the gap. Trading in the gap. Those levels, those daily levels are juice.
Aren't they? I plotted them all. I plotted the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and it's very nice.
Yeah, it's a good way to keep your chart cleaner. If that's what your aim is. You can find your like goalposts and stuff. But yeah, even seeing like the nearest rotations, super cool.
Yeah, I sent you a small screenshot of the levels. Posted the stream view chart with them all.
That's dope. Oh shit. That's juice.
Should probably plot those, you know, like every morning.
It is a lot to do. Yeah, like we were just talking about how CoinWise does this all for you, and then we're gonna go back to it. But it's nice. It is nice. It's looking at the juice. Yeah, that looks really good, dude. That reminds me of like back when we were doing them all. Look like a rocket, it's launching the floor, we next with it. She made me wanna go harder, like a whole aura, I think I'm obsessed with it. They hit a stop loss, did him the worst way, he ain't had.
Isn't it nice to just have the proper levels?
It really is. It really is.
Hey, you guys, if you don't know yet, you have a CoinWise subscription, head over to the homepage right now and download the daily level sheet. Has just been released. New feature over on CoinWise, exclamation point CoinWise.
Yeah, it is. Look at those levels. That looks juicy. Oh, daily levels. Let's go.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna plot those today.
Oh, dude, all of them?
Fuck it.
Yeah. I should have been exclamation prepared for all that.
It's all good.
Yeah, I kind of have my my system in place, but this is juice. And it's a really, even if you are not using all of the indicators exclusively, it's nice for Confluence to compare.
You think if we lose prior monthly value area high, we rotate back through the prior month range?
Yeah,
or do you think we just kind of
might
dip the
be
tip and take the single print?
68K and a clean of that might be like interesting, but it's gonna have to really bounce if they close that gap. I don't like the idea of it accepting back in range if I want it to go higher.
No, cool. Sorry, if you go to the
balance.
site right now, you don't need an account.
Excuse me?
You can download it.
I thought you had to have an account. It's live for everyone?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh wee.
Baby
Juice.
juicing.
Should be free for everyone. Yeah, crypto jammies, I feel you. Let's go, Angel of Death. Yeah, CoinMice giveaways. Coming soon. Yeah, I know that they're working on some things. Maybe middle or the end of the month. Some exciting little things going on. But I'm pretty excited about these levels, and they just dropped a really juicy new video. Oh, yeah, gotta have a CoinWise account.
That's correct.
Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, they're working on some more things, though. I know that for sure. Let's go, J-Bucks. Yeah, some of them, you're right about that, crypto jammies. Yeah, we got our initial balance. That one is not looking so good on ES. There you go, RTH initial balance. Pretty much fill the gap, and it didn't close below. Yeah, clean that level right there now. 6812, what's that on index? Probably 6800. No. And index still didn't clean it. There really isn't much premium. Hey, to the balcony. You boys hold it down for me for a second?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. Be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Big cheers. Welcome back, Stoppy. 7 months, brother. Thank you for that Twitch Prime. Yeah, Kirby's any subscription plan will unlock it. Let's vibe with the song. Oh, I needed him to turn it up. It's all good. Yeah, if you want to check out the daily levels, you can use code K1M6A for free 14 days.
I'm gonna get a talking to when I get off stream.
Kirby's.
It makes you lazy. It either makes you lazy or just gives you a lot of edge. I like to think the second. Yeah, and don't forget about the trading journal they have. all the everyone has access to that with the sub as well. So if you are digging CoinWise, they have a lot of cool stuff. Amazing indicators, as you see. Some really great education. Constantly releasing more content. Daily levels, journals. What more could you want? Take them taking the trades for you? Kachoya. We got who juicing for that. Quality of life, let's go Maestro. Let's go wrong person. Yeah, need profit. They're giving you the keys to the Bugatti. They got the GPS programmed. You just gotta start the engine and get behind the wheel. I guess the other order, I don't know. I got the remote start on mine, so.
Just got some word. You guys might want to keep an eye on the chat.
Got some word.
For anybody that doesn't have a CoinWise subscription right now, I'm gonna need to see some hands up. Who doesn't have a CoinWise subscription but wants a CoinWise subscription?
Ooh-wee.
Okay, well, this is your chance. You got 5 CoinWise Pro subscriptions up for grabs right now. All you have to do is type ! daily levels to participate. You got 4 minutes. Good luck, have fun.
Let's go. Kimba TV giveaway. Juicing on a gift
Mandalo.
sub. Thanks, Housty.
Hype.
He juicing. Hey, that's super exciting. Shout outs to CoinWise. ! daily levels. Now's your chance, y'all. Pro subscription, that comes with all the indicators, the levels, the journal. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Curvies, it is. 3 minutes, ! daily levels. Let's get it. Thanks, Fat Pony. Thank you for the resub. 29 months. Let's go. Bless you.
Let's go,
Let's go, Selamaya. ! daily levels. That's right. Syed. Let's go, Kagam. Jedi's Kirk. Fragile. Iggy Bish. Let's go, Iggy. Vermari. ! daily levels. You got 2 minutes. Hurry up. Let's get it. 29 months record. Let's go. Yeah, shout outs Fat Pony. Yeah, a lot won't work. A lot of work went into those daily levels. Y'all enjoy them. Yeah, check out their Discord too. Stay on top of things. The X. Oh my lord. Are they gonna do this again? Are they gonna do this again? Kinda don't need the gaps on right now on S&P. We know above is a little gap on ES. There's an open right here. Below monthly VWAP.
There you go. You got less than a minute.
1 minute. Exclamation daily levels. Let's go, Pedro. Ultimate juice. Let's go, Mark. Pelmeniak. Buzz, you juicing on the daily levels?
Yes, sir.
Yo. Oh. Leonard. Congratulations. Daily levels giveaway. CoinWise Pro. Enjoy and make sure that you have a subscription. I mean, at least have your your account set up in CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. But the winners, 5 times winners.
Yeah,
We got
Fib
CoinWise.
Matt.
Yo, shout out to the Talk to Tech. Hey, shout out to the
Afnagunka.
super chat. Super chat. Shout out
got
to the
super
CoinWise
chat.
team. Yep.
Let's go, CoinWise. Oh my God. Hey, much love, CoinWise team. Daily levels now live. Ooh wee. Wow. Thank you, CoinWise. Thank you for the gift sub.
You drop it on our head like that. Sheesh, 250 and some gifts.
Sheesh.
Thank you guys. We appreciate that.
Yeah,
Big shout out to the
congratulations to
winners.
Leonard,
Sky came
Sozo,
falling.
Afnagunka, Fib Math. Wait, what's 1, 2, 3, 4? And Sky came falling. Congratulations. Let's get it. Ooh wee. Juicing. Congratulations. Yeah, enjoy it.
You guys gotta visit that link in the message. Redeem. Then you should be good.
Husey's programmed. He's able to do this half asleep. Shout out to Husey. Yeah, he's tired. He's tired, but you know, the lions don't sleep. Yeah, and there's a big talent show coming up later. Super exciting. Y'all should be there. Exclamation. Exclamation. Dashboard. 6 a.m. CST. I don't even know what time that is. But that's early. Lord. Let's go, Coke Zero. Hey, thank you to CoinWise. Shoutouts to the BLOFIN trading competition. About to wrap up on that one, see who the winners are, and roll right into the next one. Place some bids at 46K. It's all over. It's going to 0. There's strong support at 0, though. Let's go, Aram. Yeah, I think if it lost 49, 42, 43. But you can see a swing fail at that 40, like high 48s, 49K zone. Yeah, it's a big point of control down there in the high 42s. But we're trading at 71K. Like, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Somebody shorted. Hey, shoutouts to the shorters. Shoutouts to the longers who juiced the hell up yesterday. Shoutouts to the CoinWise winners. Shoutouts to the BTCC winners all month long. Big thank you to Kimba and BTCC for this. Exclamation BTCC. We have big deposit bonuses over there. There's fee rebates on S&P trading. That's what Kimba's trading on his live streams. Another one coming out tomorrow. KCEX, big deposit bonuses, BLOFIN, trading competition, juice. So much juice, so little time. They won't let Cage enter the trading competitions. He's barred from it, and not because he's doing scammy things, no, but because he's juicing too goddamn hard. That's right. That's right. Coke Zero doesn't enter it. He wants to give everybody else a chance.
Coke's #1 on the list, right?
Is he?
No, I don't know.
He's #1 in my list. Much love, Coke. Yeah, I love all y'all. Shoutouts Husty. Shoutouts Cage. Shoutouts Buzz. Yeah, it's been a fun day. It's been a fun day. Got that little teeny tiny close below. Oh, we heard this one already. We need to get some new vibes going, I think. We can start off with this one. This is just my go-to song, man. I just love this song. Shoutouts Cage. Let's go, Coke Zero. Get them all.
Hey guys, can I take a quick moment just to remind everybody about we got the LIQUIDITY's Got Talent show today. Hopefully you guys tune in and join off. We're gonna be doing the last season 2 talent show today. All right, this will wrap up the shows for the season 2, and then what we'll do is we'll regroup and do the battle royale. We'll bring back all the winners. So I just want to remind everybody to tune in today. Come hang out with us. We had a great time on Tuesday. Hopefully we can repeat today. It is our last show for season 2, so just come hang out with me, come vibe out with me, and thank you so much to everybody who participated season 2, season 1, and everybody who's been supporting the LIQUIDITY's Got Talent, man. I really appreciate it. Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the team. Shout out to CoinWise for juicing everybody up this morning. Daily levels. Hey, much love, y'all. I just had to come in here and give my 2 cents, y'all. Hey, much love, y'all. Happy Thursday.
Houston, you're always welcome. Happy Thursday to you, brother. Yeah, we're excited about the talent show, and that's an hour before RTH close, 3 p.m. New York. Be there or be hoeing. Welcome to the rice fields, am I right, Buzz?
Rice.
Welcome to the rice fields, mate. Yeah, Maestro.
Oh yeah, I gotta shout out to my Panda War. Hey, shout out to all of my Panda Warriors! Exclamation who Jushin. Yo, Sato is broke, y'all. Shout out to the Hujushin Pandas, man. Thanks so much for showing love to the Hujushin channel as well. If you guys haven't checked out the last Hujushin premiere, make sure you guys go check out the Hujushin premiere. Go show some love, run up the numbers, and then we'll regroup Friday for another Hujushin premiere. So hopefully if you guys want to vibe out, have a few laughs, come vibe with us on Friday. Right after Kimba Live Trading. Let's go, Kimba Live Trading.
Sato, yeah, Buzz said he had 39 bucks yet left. It sounds like me, but I'm not crying. You crying. Let's go. Is S&P still possible to get lower low? Where's the next level? We kind of talked about this. Yeah, that was a sweep of this level. A sweep for ants. But maybe previous day value area low. If in previous day VWAP. If it loses 6,800. They want to hold it. They want to hold it for now. Yeah, things get really insane. The low at 67.20 is not great. Since you're asking, I guess we can exclamation boo gamma on them. I haven't opened that one up yet today. What do you think, Cage?
You gotta look at Bugammas, man. I do some more chart stuff. We haven't nerded out that much today.
We didn't nerd out that much. We nerded out on like tens and stuff, right? Right, Fred?
The data release this morning on unemployment.
Oh, yeah. Unemployment came in as a big nothing burger. Yeah, shout outs to the team updating those levels live. Big Boo Gamma right here at our, come on now, 6820, 6810, yeah. We're below Gex Flip. Below Gex Flip. You know what that means. Yeah, one standard deviation right around 6,700. And there's something decent, looks like around 6,750. Trading volatility, exclamation boo gammas. We got some longs come in this morning. Not too much. And big peak. 6820 looks like 6810. And 6800 here. Noise. Noise. Did we get some bottom shorts? No. Some shorts are closing actually. Being very responsible. Very responsible with our shorts. It's like 50 million. Like, all right, we'll shave a little bit. Shave a little bit. Yeah, shout out to GG. Latisse got filled. Yeah, he might be interesting if he reclaims. Reclaims previous day VWAP maybe. It did close that 30-minute candle right below previous day value area low, but it could tuck back in for our 4-hour close, so that might actually look a little bit better. Shout outs to the KIMBA'S levels. Yeah, Magus. Yeah, it's got to get up there though. Yeah, until then it's going to slam into a little bit of resistance. Yeah, it's getting up close to Gex Flip.
Trading on stream, my zone so tight, these charts get cooked and served. I'm that guy, dish that we play kept throwing off my nerve. Walking the booth, I spit high stakes, what I'm stacking.
Highs are no bueno.
Spend all day in a struggle, now I'm leveled in the firm. Pull up on resistance, I'ma flip it where it hurt. Pour two in a kettle, I'm a fiend for clean returns. Soon as New York opens, all my signals start to chirp. Cold focus don't hit my line.
Look at that.
Set on do not disturb.
Holding that. It reminds me of the 720. Yeah, you got a single print above. Developing VWAP right above that. We're trading in the gap, rejecting off of the margins.
How can I miss a trade?
Currently,
My alerts are set. Sniped entry on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat.
previous day VWAP right above us on
The market's global, trades running
ETH.
every day. No reset. Somebody tell the skeptics that we're mastering that. In my zone, focus mind, see the stats react. Profit stack when we're on the attack. Bears plotting, but we counter.
Yes, previous day VWAP is pretty much the top of the gap.
Can't slip, won't reveal how it's done. I don't know about you, but I value my grind. Imagine stopping.
I don't know, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Just keep an eye on those downside levels. And keep an eye on a reclaim. I'm not trying to just enter anything right here. That dude shaving a little bit down here, shaving just a little bit of the 50 million off of his $1 billion short. You know, might have been a responsible TP. Little 5% shave. Right, you know what I'm talking about, right, Cage?
Wait, what?
Just shaving like 50 mil off of your $1 billion short.
Yeah, I wish.
Insane. This is not all one person.
I wish.
Before dawn breaks, I'm at the screen prepared. Scanning news, global trends.
Let's go, Jackster.
Pre-market insight shape my plan. Economic
Honestly, value area low is a great place to kind of just shave some. You took the PDPOC retest.
Totally.
distance, trend, lines defined. Executing trades with precision and grace.
Agreed.
Risk managed wisely, no capital misplaced.
Oh, Coke did.
Emotions in check.
Coke actually took the retest of the daily open.
Learning from losses, ego set.
Yep.
That daily open turning into resistance.
Reflecting post-trade journaling away.
Pretty nice.
Continuous improvement day by day.
Pretty nice.
How can I miss a trade?
Yeah, so if you missed that one, the dip the tip on the gap gave a nice little setup, confluence with daily open and VWAP.
Markets global, trades running every day. No reset.
Not too bad because I was developing session point of control and TPO point of control, but looking at those levels with confluence with the gap, that was pretty juicy. Yeah, well, that was like a $1,500 short. Looks like a failed auction. Down here or up here? Hey!
Look at this. It has flowers.
It's got flowers. Oh, look at that spin.
Yeah, on 1 foot.
On 1 foot.
Yeah.
Hey, shout outs, baby Mandalo. Come here. Oh. Chat, say hello. Yep, Big Daddy, let's go. Yeah, I feel you, Deox. Who juicing?
Go juicing.
Can you say, how we doing?
How it doing? Tutorial.
Yeah.
Good Gotti.
Gotti.
Good Gotti. So that's data car. Is Good Gotti data car? Nah. Or data big truck. Can you say hi, Buzz?
Hi, Buzz.
Hi, Cage.
Hi, Kay.
Hello.
Say hi, Lions.
Hi, Lion.
Yeah, this is Lions. We juicing. Thank you, Deox. Huh? It's paused. Yeah.
Better lie, pause.
There we go. You stand up? This is a little Barbie. Yeah, there you are. Ooh, nice.
We could go for a walk, Dada.
Okay, have fun. Are you gonna ride your bike?
Oh, I need to go to
Nice. All right, enjoy.
Bye,
Love you.
Lion.
Bye, Lions. Lions, stand up. That's right. All right, I'll see you later. Yeah. Hey, you all need a reason. That's mine. I mean, little man, him too, but like, you gotta give him time. And shout outs to all the girl dads out there. It's just different. Yeah. Yeah, big cheers, Grind Minister. Hey, shout outs to all of you. All right, we got our 4-hour close. So that means that we're just about out of time. But I think we can get tipsy. Cage, you feeling tipsy?
I'm tipsy. On coffee.
This
Let's
is
go.
not looking so continuation-y, but it did tuck back inside value area low. That's pretty nice. Disregard the single prints. Just trying to get a quick flash of our structure. And I think this one might be clean. Got short shaving on the drop. Yeah, I don't know how bearish that is. No. Maybe this one. This is the monthly one that we were looking at. The monthly candle was looking pretty decent, but that's not looking so decent right there. Yeah, and that's that level that we had before, the 74,420. Quit playing with me. Going from high time frame all the way down the weekly. We need a weekly close about that 71,4. We would say 71,420 just for a nice even number. 3-day close. Wow. Daily tucking back in, not the greatest look. Kind of need to close today above 72. 230. Otherwise, that's going to really start looking like a failed auction. But there's much time to go in this session. Oof. Yeah, not even accounting for volume. But structurally, plus volume, value area high. 70K is interesting. Start trading back down below there though. Kind of like you need 68 to hold. It's still far away, so don't like get ahead of yourselves, Lions. And to the upside, we start reclaiming the 72,230. We get it on like the regular chart with our juicy Queen-wise indicators. Yeah, get back above VWAP, I think. Back in range. We're trying to hold that value area low. Yeah, reclaim daily open, and I think those highs are coming. Yeah, even if it's for a swing fail, but you do have a hourly break of structure. That was a 4-hour break of structure also, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was. Oh, you put the volume up. Yeah, the low is no good. This low is not great. You got a single print as somewhat a support, PDEQ. weekly and monthly VWAP, kind of in an important zone. Even if you fill this whole single print, doesn't mean it's all over. We talked about this plan earlier, but maybe a wick down in here, reclaim PDEQ could be something, a little thing. Yeah, this looks like the 7-5 of this whole the whole RTH push from yesterday. 786. But yeah. Yeah, watch that close today. Oof. Oof. Cleaner. Wait and see. Any questions, chat? Yeah, ETH pumped. Alt's pumped. But not nearly as hard. And we talked about that plan maybe 2.5 weeks ago. BTCC. That's not looking so great. Still in the range.
No hoping, Iggy.
No
Just
hoping.
read the data when it gets there.
Yeah, Soul was a swing fail. Shout out to the shorters. That was a much cleaner setup than Biddy gave. And we kind of talked about that possibility last week. Yep, ETH was a swing fail as well. Same green bar. Once again. Accepting back inside. Not the greatest look, but it depends on Biddy, depends on S&P. So let's take one last look and then we'll send it on out of here. Shout outs to the mamas. Let's get some M's in the chat. Yeah, it looks like it just was retesting on that last candle. Hey, big thank you to CoinWise today. Big giveaway, big dono. Dika, shout out to you. How you doing? Big thank you to them. Huge thank you to Kimba. Big shout outs to BTCC, KCEX, BLOFIN, exclamation dashboard for all the Gucci exchanges, all the promotions. Stream schedule, huge talent show coming up in a little while. Make sure you're there. It's going to be a lot of fun. I know we're going to see Buzz and Cage up there. Let's get it. Husty, shout outs to you, brother. Shout outs to the entire team. Big thank you. Big cheers to Kimba. Big cheers to my boys up here on the screen with me. Thanks for coming on.
Having us, Mandalo. We appreciate it.
Yeah, always a pleasure to have you guys on here. Thank you. And Buzz, thanks for being a trooper, dude. He was driving, like, he was pushing his car at one point. It's just because he was on top of the mountain. He was trying to get it, get some momentum going. You know what gas prices are these days? God dang.
Hey, you guys know we cannot buy gas over here. You can only buy gas for $10.
Only $10 at a time?
Yep.
Are you for real?
Yep.
Holy shit. He's like bringing gas cans. He'll like go back, he'll turn back around and put a mustache on or something. Change his clothes until he gets a full tank. Hey. Much love, brother. Big shout outs to both of you. Thank you. Good times today. A little crazy. based on the current situation, things escalate tomorrow. I don't know about the whole news things. I've been up here, so I haven't kept up this morning. I think the levels are programs. We got weekly options tomorrow. We got a big week next week with CPI. The following week, we have FOMC and quarterly options. So, you know, the moves are in the charts, even if the news becomes a catalyst to move price more quickly. The charts will be the guide, and shout outs to CoinWise levels just being released, giving us a whole roadmap that we can take on this journey. Buzz, you should have had that on your journey.
Which one? Which one?
Oh, the
Sky,
CoinWise
have a
levels
great day.
roadmap. Hey, I'm not crying, you crying. Wrong person. X420, Froggy shot. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, we'll see you guys this afternoon. Same in Thailand. The shortage of gas there. Damn, Maestro. Math is the math. Let's go, Eski. Dayox. Kozar, Kagam, Mark, X420. Congratulations to the CoinWise giveaway winners today. Those levels are juice, are they not? If you don't know what I'm talking about, rewind the stream. You get a couple of laughs, a couple of cries, a couple of levels, and a whole lot of vibes. Let's get it. Yeah, Curvies, thank you. Thanks for being here. Lux Slayer, Grime Minister, Mark, Kozar, Shadows Calling Noob, Shadows Kim Gang always, XLRD, big cheers, Iggy, shoutouts to you, brother. Crypto Jammies, All Face, it is an interesting All Face. Latisse, Size Up, Wrong Person, Dead Claws, Trinkom, Maxi. Send you a jet. You're in Dubai, Lordy. Lordy, hey, stay safe. Shout outs to all the lions that are in that area. Yeah. Much love to you all. Pavel, big shout outs to PSG. That's right, Cage. Kozar, Kagam, Nitrogen, Hinamantana, Gaboo, Chauncey. Big thank you to the team. All right, you guys want to say your giveaway, your send off? Cause I'm done. Love y'all. Burgix.
Big cheers. Thank you guys. Thanks for having me, Mandalo. I appreciate it, brother. See you guys later for the talent show. Guys, stick around 3 p.m. Shout out Houston. Shout out Buzz.
Later, guys. Have an amazing day, and catch you up later.
Yep, see you at the talent show. Have a wonderful weekend. If you don't use a stop loss, they're gonna slap the shit out you. So, yeah, you see what happens. Exclamation who juicing coming up tomorrow too. Kimba live trading tomorrow morning. Let's go. Bugatti's gotta be testnet. Later.
Let's go.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. Kimba gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young lion